Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that I bought from the Berkley Supply Store in Colorado, USA. Last November of last year, 2023, I was able to order a pair of Red Wing Mach 2 boots from the Berkley Supply Store, and they offered it in seconds, which means that there is some defect or some leather discoloration, and they are offering it at a lesser price. And this particular boots was priced at $180 as compared to the new website, which is almost $320, and that is a very cheap price. So I ordered it and have it sent to my forwarder at the Johnny Air Cargo, which is located in Los Angeles, California. And it took me almost 2 weeks before it arrived here in the Philippines. Actually, once I ordered the item, after 4 days, my forwarder received the package, and immediately Johnny Air Cargo would send it to Manila, and for a period of 9 days, I was able to pick up the package from my pickup point, which is the SM Mega Mall located in Metro Manila. So I have here with me this Red Wing. The story of this is last November, the Berkley Supply Store offered so many pairs of Mach 2 and other boots from Red Wing, and they were on sale. It was reduced in price because they are seconds. There are some defects, but there is a signature or sign that this pair of boots are seconds, but once they arrive, you could not determine any discoloration, any damage on the leather. Well, in fact, they look like they are brand new. And for me, there's nothing wrong with it because I use them for my hiking, I use them for my backyard works, and I don't have an office. I don't use it in my, going to an office environment. No, I just use it in my works, in my hiking, and anything that I can do here in my backyard. So it is a material that whether it is brand new or not, I'm going to still use this as a work wear. And for the past years, I've been using Red Wing shoes as my workwear and hiking shoes. And here it is. This is the box, and this is the model. This is the Red Wing 8881, which is the Olive Mohave leather, and the size is 8.5D or regular. So I'm going to open the box, and we will see what is inside. I'm going to bring it out one shoe or one piece at a time, and we will try to scrutinize the leather. So this is it. It looks like a light brown, but in appearance it looks like a green or olive. So this is what you see on the outside of the Mach 2 boots. and it looks good, and it has rolled top. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 regular eye holes of a Red Wing Macto, 7 eye holes, and you have the Taslan shoelaces. And of course, since this is the second pair of boots, you have a hole which is pants on the upper portion of the tongue of the boots. So we will look on the other pair, on the other piece of shoes, so you can see the appearance on the outside look, and I don't see any defects. And I think this white thing are result of the packaging on the box. And as usual, the tongue has a hole. This one does not have any hole. However, the left one has a hole on the leftmost part of the shoe or boot's tongue. So there you have it. It looks like a brown suede leather, but it is thick, the leather is thick, and it will take a lot of weeks or maybe days for me to break in these Macto boots from Red Wing shoes. And as usual, you have this kind of sole, white sole, and you have the midsole, leather midsole, and it is 360 Goodyear welt, which means that you can replace the sole after the sole have been, worn out. So it is very easy for the sole to be replaced. So 360 welt. You have the 3 stitch Puritan stitch. You have the 3 rows of Puritan stitch. Of course, the Macto. You have the separate box stay, and of course the usual stitches. I cannot see any problem or any crookedness on the stitches. They're nice. Same with the other shoe. .360 Goodyear welt. And we're going to have a fitting after I will be able to lace up this pair of shoes.